Right there. Put it here. Right here. The space. Right here. Yeah, there you go. Yay! You did it! Where's that one go? Let's see.
Today is March 13th. We got Natalie a new puzzle.
Where's the sheep go?
Face.
Here.
Goes in the corner, it looks like.
Right here, Natalie. Here. Put the
Okay.
sheep here. Oh, here. Here.
See where it matches.
Oh, right here. Put it here. This
Turn
one
it.
goes here. Yes! Put it on. Other way? No. This goes here. Turn it. This one goes here. Yes! Put it here and here. Yes!
Use your other hand.
Two hands. Two hands. There.
Try again.
Good girl, you did it! Go good. Where's that one going?
Where's that one? Go?
Da.
There's the
The duck's
swan.
head here.
Or the duck's.
Six.
Yeah.
Yes.
The head. Look at the head. Right here.
Head.
Yeah. No, turn it. This one. This one. Turn it. There you go. Yay!
Almost.
Huh?
Yay! You did it. Okay. Where's the horse's head?
Yes.
Huh? This one here. No, right here. There. This one. Right here. Turn it. There. Put it on. This space here. This one. This one. Right here. Yes. No, right here. This thing. Right there. Is that the wrong spot?
That's right.
Oh, yay!
Good girl.
The tail. Where's the tail?
J.
Right here.
J.
Turn it. Turn it. There. Yay! Right here. No? Turn it. There. Put this here. Right there. Right there. No, right here. This goes here. There. Turn it. Move it. Move it to the right. Right there. Right there. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Almost.
Almost. This one here. There. Yes. 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 Yay! You did it, Natalie.
J.
Here. The tail. The tail is here.
That one goes in the corner.
Turn it. Turn it. This one here. Here. Turn it. There. There. No.
Almost. No, it's okay.
Yay!
Girl.
Okay.
Hey.
Where's that one go? Over
J.
here.
That one goes down in the bottom corner. That's the rest
Turn
of
it.
the cow.
Turn it. Turn it again. One more. Turn. Turn. One more turn. There. Put it here. There. No, here. This goes there. There. Put it in. Yay! Okay. There's the pig. Up
Oh, that one has to go in the corner.
in the corner. Here. Yay! There. Push it.
Good girl.
Fish.
Push. There you go.
Good girl.
There. Where's that go?
Da.
Oh!
And the last one.
Where's
Can
that
you put
one
the
go?
last one in?
Turn it.
Fish.
Oh, she's on her way. Yay! Natalie, you did it!
First time doing the puzzle.
Okay.
Try
Great.
again.